Lil Baby and 4PF are allegedly expected to be indicted on RICO charges, reportedly said the head of Georgia PD Council's gang unit. Yeah, I don't know if you all been seeing this that's trending that, they say basically they've announced that they're going to be going after bruh. You know what I mean? Lil Baby and his 4PF guy saying that, RICO's coming. Everybody been talking about this. Everybody been saying, yeah, it's with the whole GoodFellas thing going down and all that. And now a follow up to that is that right here.
Oh, what's up? Oh, what's going on? Man, like, come on, bro. You know what's finna go on. Like, how the hell you can? You know what I'm saying? They ain't even like that, man. Them got tickets on a lot of these folks. I'm telling you.
We just heard somebody say these folks got tickets on these people. We know what's going on. First of all, who was that said that about the tickets?
Unc, the unidentified male that was being referred to as Unc.
And he's speaking with Mr. Sanders.
Correct.
And what, in your experience, do you know what tickets are?
A price on somebody's head.
What do you mean by what do you mean on somebody's head? What is that?
Like a bounty.
Okay. To have them arrested?
Harmed. Or
and who were they referring to in that portion of the call?
They were saying that they had heard that Dominique Jones had tickets on a lot of people's heads.
Dominique Jones had wanted to have people harmed.
Correct.
All right, moving on.
Oh, what's up?
So they saying Lil Baby had put a, green light on the GoodFellas. You know what I'm talking about? That's what this whole thing is. So it says gang investigator Marissa Viverito shows wiretap evidence in court allegedly proving that Lil Baby put bounties on people's heads. Oh, wow. I don't know how, true on all this good stuff is, but because that's not Lil Baby himself, right? We didn't hear, that's not, that's someone saying, but how can they really tie this to bruh per se if it's somebody else's, someone else's voice, you know what I'm saying? It's not him himself saying it, you know what I mean? And old girl that's saying this, I think they say old girl, this is Marissa Vivera, whatever, she's the one, I guess, this is the GoodFellas guys right here. You know what I mean? These are the rivals of Lil Baby's crew, which is the 4PF, or Lil Baby's former crew, right? Or because he, since he changed the name, whatever. But this is what they're using. One of the things that's coming out recently, where they trying to, let people know that for real, yeah, they're definitely going after, bro. That RICO is coming through. Now I don't know if this is enough because unless they have the Unc guy, I don't even know because I don't think he say she say is enough to, you know what I mean? But I don't know. I don't know too much about all this court shit. I stay the fuck away from all these things, you know what I'm saying? But all I know is, bruh, people saying Lil Baby should, you know what I'm saying, take a sheet out of Dirk's book and get the fuck out of Dodge, you know what I'm saying? But I don't think he should do that. If he does that, it's gonna be over with. And once he does that, you know how bruh, they're watching him all, like once he starts moving towards that direction, they're gonna get his ass. And then they're gonna assume that he, so I don't think he should definitely make moves like that at all. I don't think he should do that. But this is what we're seeing. You know what I'm saying? This is, man, I don't know how effective it's gonna be. I don't know how truthful or how connected or how tapped, you know what I'm saying, this is gonna be on the issue. But I definitely think that y'all should stay away from crime. Like, whether you a rapper, actor, what, I don't even give a fuck what you're doing. Just stay the fuck away, bro. And I understand that, this, it's probably a previous situation, right? Previous life before he got into music. But they say this is happening while he was in music. That whole video shoot he did and the blamming, they said there was back and forth. After that blam, his people, 4PF, went back and blam. GoodFellas came back blam. That's how those two kids got blammed. You know what I'm saying? And this is what the GoodFellas are here for, them two innocent kids that got blammed. You know what I'm saying? And these niggas here don't even look like they got remorse. But of course, that's the streets. You know what I'm saying? They don't see it. A life is a life. They don't really care. You know what I'm talking about? But let's hear this one more time.
Oh, what's going on? Man, like, come on, bro. You know what's finna go on. Like, how the hell you can? You know what I'm saying? They ain't even like that, man. Them got tickets on a lot of these folks. I'm telling you.
We just heard somebody say these folks got tickets on these people. We know what's going on. First of all, who was that said that about the tickets?
Unc, the unidentified male that was being referred to as Unc.
And he's speaking with Mr. Sanders.
Correct.
And what, in your experience, do you know what tickets are?
A price on somebody's head.
What do you mean by what do you mean on somebody's head? What is that?
Like a bounty.
Okay. To have them arrested?
Harmed.
Arrested is funny.
And who were they referring to in that portion of the call?
They were saying that they had heard that Dominique Jones had
Dominique Jones, I think that's Lil Baby's official name.
tickets on a lot of people's heads.
Dominique Jones had wanted to have people harmed.
Correct.
All right, moving on.
Man, hopefully, you know what I'm saying? I don't know much about much. Y'all can let me know if y'all think this is gonna be enough for them to, you know. I'm pretty sure if they, you know, they spilling little things like this, they got more involved. Flacco. I remember, shout out to Poetic Flacco. He was saying something. He said, "Bruh, if the cops know what your enemigos did, they know what you did to your enemigos." You know what I'm saying? So if a RICO comes for the enemigos, expect a RICO coming for you too, because they understand the duality of things. You know what I'm saying? It takes two to tango. Feel me? I don't know, and you know what I'm saying. I hope, bruh, you know, Lil Baby, because I ain't seen he doesn't come off as you know, thuggish and extra. You know, I know he, you know, off the streets, but he doesn't come off as a, you know, extra ass nigga. He ain't trying to brag and all that. So I hope, you know, things, you know, go good for him and he doesn't, you know what I mean? But it's not looking so good. But then again, maybe it is, because as I said, this is not his voice. This is somebody else. Unless they have that person, like, you know, really, like, you know, the person about to fold, then I think, you know. But other than that, I don't know.